Take a ride in the 2026 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.